Welcome to GC Reddy Technologies. Java programming for software testing. Role of Java programming in our software testing. Okay. Software testing. I think all of you familiar with this software testing. Verifying whether a software is working as per that software requirements. Verifying a software whether it is working or not with respect to its requirements. Okay, software testing can be done in two ways. One is traditional manual testing, testing computer software manually without using any test tool or test script. Another is automated testing, testing computer software using any test tool or test script. Okay. Say for manual testing, no programming knowledge required. In manual testing, understanding requirements or user stories, deriving test scenarios, documenting test cases, collecting test data, executing test cases, analyzing test result, reporting defects, tracking defects, conducting change related testing, re and regression testing, and confirmation. Those are the important things or activities in manual testing. For automated testing, especially for automated testing, several types: functional test automation, performance test automation, mobile test automation, web services automation, etc. For automated testing, especially for functional test automation, programming knowledge is mandatory. For other types, suppose performance, web services testing, mobile testing, little bit programming knowledge is enough. But for functional test automation, more programming knowledge is required. For example, you take functional test tools like UFT. UFT uses VB script. Selenium uses 6 programming languages. You can use any one of those languages. Next, RFT uses Java, VB.NET. Test Complete uses programming. All functional test tools use programming. See here, our agenda is verifying Java programming role in software testing, especially in automated testing. No programming knowledge required for manual testing. First one, Java is used in Selenium testing. Selenium, a popular test tool for functional testing. Selenium supports Java, Python, C#, Ruby, JavaScript, and Kotlin. We can use any one of those languages, but Selenium with Java, this combination is popular. Nearly 70% software testers, Selenium testers, are using Selenium with Java. So here Java role is Java is more important for Selenium. Next, Appium with Java. Appium supports Java for mobile testing. Appium also supports all languages that supported by Selenium, Python, C#, etc. But here also Appium with Java popular. Say Selenium with Java for functional test automation, Appium with Java for mobile test automation. Next, RFT, IBM Rational Functional Tester with Java. Say RFT is commercial tool. It supports Java and VB.NET programming. You can use either Java or VB.NET. Next, Cucumber is acceptance test tool. It supports behavior-driven development. Here, scripting language is Gherkin. Gherkin is English like easy language, but Cucumber compatibility point of view, Cucumber supports Java based testing or Ruby based testing. For example, you can use Selenium with Java tests in Cucumber for acceptance testing. Okay, next, JMeter. Say, apart from writing automation programs or automation scripts or test cases, apart from writing test scripts or test cases, automated test cases, Java also used for test tool development. For example, JMeter is pure Java based application. In order to use JMeter tool from your computer, then Java runtime is required. Why? JMeter is 100% pure Java based application. If you want to install and use JMeter, first install Java runtime, then you can install JMeter and work with JMeter. Next, SOAP UI, API Web Services Test Tool. SOAP UI developed in Java and Groovy languages, but for SOAP UI also Java runtime required. Next, Jira. Jira also Java based application, means Jira also software. Jira test tool developed in Java technology. JMeter test tool developed in Java technology. See, Jira is project management tool. It supports issue tracking, defect tracking. It is web-based application. For using Jira, Java runtime is required at server side. Client side not required. For server side, Java runtime is required for Jira.